Do these actually taste good? One of the biggest questions I had before buying these creatine gummies by Create was whether or not they're gonna taste good. Just because something's a gummy doesn't necessarily mean it's gonna taste good. But I was pleasantly surprised to find out that I enjoy all 5 flavors that they put in this variety pack for you. A lot of times I've noticed that other gummy supplements can often have like a weird aftertaste, and it just is very off-putting and makes you not want to take them and use them. I do not have that problem with these. I'll open a pack so you can see exactly what I mean and get a feel and idea of what the gummies look like. So they are individually packaged. You get the exact amount of gummies that are needed for an individual day serving size. And in that case, it is 3 gummies. So here is what the gummies look like. It smells so heavenly. This is the sour peach flavor. So I've got these 3 gummies. They fit in the palm of my hand. They are fairly nice size, and it's nice to have a little treat and a little sweet something. If you know what I mean, if you have a sweet tooth like myself, then this is actually kind of a little treat for me every morning when I take these. Gummies have a soft, chewy flavor, and then it has this sour coating on the outside, which makes it super appealing. I love a little sour gummy. Genuinely, from the taste alone, I don't know how they got creatine in this because it just tastes so darn good. Taste is always subjective, but I personally really like the taste, and I would consider myself a gummy connoisseur. Here's what they look like, again, so you can see for size. They're about the size of a quarter, I would say. Having multiple flavors with the variety pack keeps that nice variety, so you're not having the same thing every day, and you can kind of switch up the flavors. It also lets you choose which ones you like if you're first starting out with this product. I think the variety pack is a great option for anybody that's new to this product, so you can kind of see which ones are your favorite, and then you can repurchase those. My favorite flavor so far has ended up being the sour peach, and then I would say my next close runner-up is the sour green apple. The sour part is just so yummy. The variety pack comes with 5 different flavors. You've got orange, sour green apple, sour peach, watermelon, and blue raspberry. If flavor has been something that keeps you away from certain supplements or keeps you from staying consistent, then this is gonna change your mind, because this makes creatine super easy and simple to take daily and to actually look forward to taking it, especially if you have a sweet tooth like I do. You just grab a pack of these, throw them in your bag, and you're good to go. So if flavor is something that's been off-putting for you of whether or not you've wanted to start your creatine journey, definitely try these out. I feel like the variety pack is great to help you stay consistent, so it's not the same thing every day.